This illustration deals with medium voltage conductors and cables in accordance with NEC New Article 311, Part 2. Purpose of change is a new article. A new article has been added to address medium voltage conductors and cables. Article 311, Part 2 covers the construction and application, conductors, conductor identification, and marking. This new article was existing Article 310 and Article 328 for medium voltage in the 2017 NEC. First of all, I would like to review the information that's to the left of the equipment that you see. And notice you have a metal enclosed or metal clad service type equipment in accordance with 490.47. And secondly, our construction specifications is Part 2 of Article 311, and construction and application. Construction and application of this article is in 311.10. Conductors of the over 1,000 volts, medium type voltage, is discussed and outlined in 311.12. Construction or conductor identification is outlined in 311.14. Marking requirements is in 311.16. And then, of course, thirdly, at the very bottom between the grounding electrode conductor and the cable and conductors coming in and terminating to the bus bar, then notice conductors should be identified and marked per 311.14 and 311.16. But notice we're just showing the terminations here. We're not showing shields and and connections like that, or termination shields and that kind of thing. And then, of course, as a reminder, Article 490 contains elements used in a high voltage system. And then make note too, as the purpose of change pointed out, that Article 311, all the tables for high voltage, over 1,000 volts, have been removed from Article 310 and placed in this new Article 311. And then all the requirements in the existing Article 328 for medium voltage has also been relocated with certain maybe revisions in the new Article 311.